Here we are at the Elephant Nature Park in Chiang Mai, where today what we'll be doing is feeding these elephants you see down here and giving them baths. All of these elephants have been rescued from bad situations and they're here to live a free life. And it's also a great place for people to learn about saving elephants and properly treating them.
Come on, guys. Waiting.
And now the herd of elephants are having their afternoon snack of greens. They're so healthy. What's interesting that we learned here is that these elephants can eat up to 10% of their body weight a day. It's a lot of food.
Daily presenter, but yes, already. You see the